Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Maps direction not working in Android. If you are using an Android phone and you want to fix Apple Maps directions, let's see how can you do this. Basically, Apple Maps is not available in Android versions. So in Android, you can use Google Maps for the person, but if your direction is not working in Google Maps, so you just have to enable some settings. The first way is that you just have to keep a long press on your app, then tap on app info, and here scroll down and look for permissions. But if you won't get the settings here, you just have to go back, open phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for apps, open it, and then select Google Maps. Look for Maps app in your phone. Here's that, tap on it, then select permissions. Now scroll down and here's the location services, just tap on it and then tap on allow all time. Now go back and here's the option of physical activity, just tap on it, then tap on allow. And in this way you can easily fix maps direction. Now go to Google Maps app and let's see if directions are working or not. You just have to make sure that your phone's location is enabled. After enabling that, just go back and here just tap on this icon to watch your location, and there's a direction option, just tap on it and here you can see it is working. So that's how you can fix maps direction not working on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.